Welcome to Electric Ease, the all-in-one platform built for electrical contractors who want to estimate faster, bid smarter, and win more jobs. No more juggling multiple tools, second-guessing material costs, or wasting hours on manual takeoffs. With Electric Ease, everything you need is in one simple, easy-to-use platform. Inside, you'll find powerful features designed to help you work smarter, like Digital Takeoff with auto count, pre-built bid templates, fully loaded, customizable material and assemblies database, real-time material price updates, and so much more. And the best part? Electric Ease was built by contractors, for contractors, designed to be simple, intuitive, and built to help you win more bids. Stop struggling with outdated methods and see the difference for yourself. Try Electric Ease, free for 14 days, and experience smarter estimating today.